Hello, good morning, students. Here, myself, Mrs. Nikita Mekwan, sharing with you Standard 3, Subject English, Workbook Material of Unit 2. Bird Talk, it's a poem, and Nina and the Baby Sparrows, it's a story. Let's go with the question. Write two differences between you and the birds. Birds and we. We have some difference, so many differences we having, but here we have to mention two. Then we cannot fly, and next one, birds cannot speak like human beings. Question number 2, complete the conversation between two elephants named Mitu and Beta. Mitu says, look at man. Beta says, how small they are. Here some blanks are there, only that you have to fill. How small they are. Mitu says, do they have trunks? Beta says, no, they haven't. Mitu says, human beings have only two tiny legs. Beta says, yeah, I wonder how they can walk on them. Question number 3. Make sentences using the following words. Thrill. The idea of going to Goa thrills me. Bother. Choose a soap that doesn't bother you. Problem. Mohit solved the problem easily. Mohit solved the word problem easily. Market. What time does the market open? Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjective. You have to choose adjective from the bracket. A blank tree, then it will be a big tree. And blank boy, an intelligent boy. A blank man, a thin man. Two blank birds, two baby birds. Question number 5. Number the following sentences in correct order. We have to arrange these sentences in correct order. I'll start with the first sentence. What will be the first sentence? Sentence number C will be the first sentence. There was a sparrow's nest on bookshelf in Nina's room. This question is from the story Nina and the Baby Sparrow, and we have to see the textbook, and from that we have to make this correction to arrange these sentences in proper order. Okay, then first sentence will be there was a sparrow's nest on bookshelf in Nina's room. Second sentence will be Nina did not want to go to the wedding. Third sentence, mother said that they leave the window open so Papa and Mama Sparrow can feed their babies. Okay. Sentence number 4 will be when Nina came back from the wedding, there were two little sparrows flying all over the room. And sentence number 5 will be mother gave Nina a big hug. Right? Let's repeat it again. Sentence number C will be on first number. Sentence number D will be on second number. Sentence number E will be on third number. Sentence number B will be on fourth number. And sentence number A will be on fifth number. Okay. Let's go to question number 6. If you were a bird, what would you do? Write 4 sentences. If I were a bird. This is my imagination. If I were a bird, what I would do. Here I have written, I would like to chirp loudly. I would like to fly high. I would like to eat fresh fruits. I would like to sit on the highest branch of the tree. This way you have to write your own imagination here in this question. Question number 7. Write plurals of the following nouns. Bookshelf, then bookshelves. F will turn in L and VES will be added to make the plural form. Dress, dresses. DRESSES, dresses. Double S is there, then we have to add ES to the noun. Ox, oxen. OXEN, oxen. Baby, babies. BABIS, babies. Okay, Y will turn in I and we have to add ES. Echo, echoes. Last is O, it's a vowel, then we have to add ES to make the plural form. Ship, ship. There is no change in such nouns. It will be the same in plural form also. Now write opposites of the following: joy, sorrow, joy, sorrow. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Lovely, ugly, lovely, ugly. No, yes, no, yes. Problem, solution, problem, solution. Plum, theme, plum, theme. Question number 9. Solve the puzzle. Identify the animals with their sound. I move. It will be cow. There is a puzzle in workbook. Okay. And some clues are given. I move. Then it will be cow. I chirp. Sparrow. I hiss. Snake. I knife. Horse. I hoot. Owl. I bleat. Lamb. I grovel. Bear. I squeal. Rabbit. I roar. Tiger. I squeak. Squirrel. Question number 10. Question number 10 will be, you have to match the birds with their beaks. You have to match the birds with their beaks. It is in the workbook on page number 7. Here I have written only answer. First one is in workbook is parrot picture. Then beaks will be on the third number. You have to match A with 3. B number, the picture of pigeon. You can see pigeon's beak is matching with fourth number. Then you have to match it with 4. C, kingfisher's beak. It will be on fifth number. Then you have to join it with fifth number. Number D, it's a duck's beak. Then you have to match it with first number. And question number E, it's a crow's beak. Then it will be on second number. Okay. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks with suitable phrases from the word box. We have to choose the phrase from the word box. Amit's kite flew above the tree. Rimi is working on a computer. John climbs up a tree. A dog is barking at a stranger. I saw a movie in a hall. Okay, again I'll repeat. Amit's kite flew above the tree. Rimi is working on a computer. John climbs up a tree. A dog is barking at a stranger. I saw a movie in a hall. Okay. Now next question is, answer the following questions. Name the 2 birds talking in the garden in the poem. This question is from the poem Bird Talk. Now let's answer. The name of the 2 birds are Robin and Jay. The name of the 2 birds are Robin and Jay. What made the birds think that people are funny? What made the birds think that people are funny? Answer will be, birds think that people are funny because people are different from them in many ways. Birds think that people are funny because people are different from them in many ways. Okay? हमारे बारे में पीपल क्या सोचते हैं, हम कैसे फ़नी हैं, तो उसका आंसर होगा कि बर्ड्स ऐसे सोचते हैं कि पीपल आर फनी बिकॉज पीपल आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देम. हम उनसे बहुत ही डिफरेंट है इन सो मैनी वेज. बहुत सारी चीज़ों में हम उनसे डिफरेंट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, वाई वॉज नीना नॉट विलिंग टू अटेंड द वेडिंग. वाई वॉज नीना नॉट विलिंग टू अटेंड द वेडिंग. नीना मैरिज में क्यों नहीं जाना चाहती थी. Then our answer will be, Nina was not willing to attend the wedding because she was worried about the baby sparrows. Nina was not willing to attend the wedding because she was worried about the baby sparrows. नीना शादी में नहीं जाना चाहती थी क्योंकि उसको बेबी स्पैरोज की चिंता थी। Question number D. Why was Nina thrilled when she returned from the wedding? Why was Nina thrilled when she returned from the wedding? नीना जब शादी से वापस आई तो बहुत एक्साइटेड क्यों थी? Answer will be, there were two plump little sparrows flying over the room, so Nina was thrilled when she returned from wedding. There were two plump little sparrows flying over the room, so Nina was thrilled when she returned from wedding. उसकी रूम में 2 लिटल प्लम स्पैरोज़ यहाँ वहाँ फ्लाइंग कर रहे थे, इसलिए जब वो शादी से वापस आई तो बहुत ही थ्रिल महसूस कर रही थी। नाउ हियर सम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस। Blank did not want to go for the wedding. Who did not want to go for wedding? Nina or Nina's mother? Of course, our answer will be Nina. There was a sparrow's nest on the blank roof or bookshelf. As we know in story, the correct answer is bookshelf. Question number C. There were blank baby sparrows in the nest, 2 or 4. Our correct answer is 2. There were 2 baby sparrows in the nest. Next, mother suggested to leave the blank open, door or window. Mother suggested to leave the window open. Last, when Nina came back, 2 blank little sparrows were flying all over the room. Thin or plump? Our answer will be plump. When Nina came back, 2 plump little sparrows were flying all over the room. Next question is write true or false. Everyone was happy except Nina. It's true. Nina's mother was upset because she did not buy anything. Nina's mother was upset because she did not buy anything. It's a true. There was a sparrow's nest in Nina's room. There was a sparrow's nest in Nina's room. It's a true. There was one sparrow in the nest. It's a false. There were 2 sparrows. The baby sparrows cried for food all day long because Mama Sparrow was not there. It's a false sentence. F. Mother suggested to leave the window open is true. G. Mother removed all the things from Nina's room and locked the door. It's true. When Nina came back, she did not see the baby sparrow in the room. It's a false sentence. Okay, dear students, this is the material of our Marigold workbook. I hope you understood unit 2 properly. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.